Hi, I'm Scott with Starkey Family, Fixing and Rigging Up. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Now, while today I couldn't show you show you the actual loading of the trailer of the cylinders back here, I am going to show you how you actually secure them. Basically, all these are giant round bars. Okay, one of the most important things is once you get these lowered onto the deck of your trailer, they're round, so they will roll. Make sure you nail little blocks to your 4x4s. That way they cannot roll off. Make sure you do it on both sides, at least one per side. Now, let's go ahead and get to the strapping and chaining. Okay, I've got my chain thrown over on both sides. I've got the chains wrapped around the rub rail on both sides and hooked back into each other. Now I'm going to take my snap binders and lock these down tight. Wrap the chain around it. Okay, now I'm going to lock this one down. Then wrap the chain around it. Okay, I've got my straps lined out. I'm going to put 3 straps over each section here. So I've got them lined out. So let me go ahead and throw them over. To the other side and fasten them underneath the rub rail. Okay, with those fastened, I can now go to the other side and tighten them down. Okay, now's the time that we walk around and make sure everything's done up correctly. Everything looks good over here. Okay, I think we're ready to roll. I'm Scott with Starkey Family, fixing and rigging up. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've learned something. I hope you hit subscribe. I hope you hit the like button. I hope you come back, watch my other videos. Check out my other gaming channel. It's Starkey Family Gaming and Fun, if you like video games. Well, thank you and have a good night.